to Doodletown. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and comment down below who is excited to watch the labor and delivery vlog, or who has watched it. Okay, so as I'm just kind of going over, Molly did have her puppies. I'm trying to edit the labor and delivery vlog, but right now I'm having technical difficulties with my phone, also with my brain, because I'm trying to catch up on a million different things. After these puppies were born, everything just went wild. It's kind of crazy right now, but everybody else is everybody comes in and we all take turns. So here are her pups. They're all enjoying life right now. We had 9 beautiful puppies, and they were all black, no white this time, which is okay because they're still super cute and precious. So right now I'm actually going to weigh them, so I'm going to take you guys along with that. We do have 2 that are 1 pound already, and this is only day 3, so that's crazy. Probably by the time you guys are watching this, it's going to be like day 4, but the labor and delivery vlog will not be up quite yet because it's taken forever to do. But I'm going to hope that this video is up by tomorrow, which would be day 4. So stay tuned for every shorts because I'm going to try to do every day as they grow so that you see that how fast puppies grow. So I'm going to weigh them, and then yes. And also I have to create an intro with these dogs, so I need ideas. Also, I'm going to be creating an intro with the puppies when they get old enough to run around. So tell me a theme to do because I really want to know what theme I should do. And yes, so let's get started and weigh these puppies. So much for watching this video. My hair's coming out. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'm hoping this video is actually out by today. Can you say goodbye, Molly? Too funny. Okay, hope you guys have an amazing day, and stay tuned for the next video, which would probably be her labor and delivery. See you guys later. Have a perfect day. Bye.